2. I wonder if that goes through here.
They go through 1.
It goes through 1?
Yeah, they intersect.
Okay. So I need to draw my picture a little better. So they intersect at 1? Oh, shoot. So that's 1. This is the line x equals 2? Yes? And the y-axis. So this is one a lot of people pick the wrong region. So I want in between the 2 curves and the y-axis. Did I write this down right? Well, and the y-axis. Oh, no, I'm good. I'm sorry. In between the 2 curves and the y-axis. Here's the y-axis, right? So in between the curve. You see that? Sometimes, though, they will refer to this. If I had said in between the 2 curves and the x-axis, it would just be this area. It's very hard sometimes to figure out your area. So that's what should require most of the thought, is the picture, figuring out your area. That should require most of it. The integrals themselves should be very easy. Okay, so here's the problem. Can you tell me what the problem is with this one? Yeah, what's the top? It flips, doesn't it? Huh?
So they're both tops?
They're both tops. Not quite. Yes and no. What do I do? What do I do? The top changes.
Do 2 separate ones and chase the top and bottom.
Do 2 separate ones. I'm going to do this integral, find that area, this integral. So let's do the integral. We already said that's at 1, right? The top on this one is what? The line?
It's not quite 1.
Oh, it's not quite? That's a big deal. That's a big deal.
Well, I bought it.
Oh, okay.
No, I did the intersect. It's 0.8064.
No.
Just eyeball it.
Okay. So it's what? 3 decimals.
0.806.
Then I want to add the integral from 0.806 to 2. My top curve is now x e to the x. Minus, be very careful. When you subtract that, you better distribute. You with me there? Let's go ahead and get practice on our calculators. I want you to evaluate this on your calculator. Yes. Evaluate the whole thing. They're not all pretty. That's why I gave you this one, because sometimes the regions are hard to see And sometimes the answers are not nice and neat, where the intersect not nice and neat. They're not all going to be perfect. You just have to stick with your method. Questions? As long as you keep the top. You try. I gave you a pretty easy one.